5 easy-to-grow vegetables for summer. Struggling to keep your garden thriving during the summer heat? Don't worry, you're not alone. Hot temperatures, dry soil, and sun-scorched leaves can pose a challenge even to seasoned gardeners. But the good news? Some vegetables actually thrive in the heat and will reward you with a steady, delicious harvest, while others wilt. In this video, we'll walk you through 5 easy-to-grow summer vegetables that are heat-tolerant, beginner-friendly, and perfect for your garden. Tomatoes. Tomatoes are a summertime favorite, and for good reason. They're incredibly versatile in the kitchen and come in many varieties, from cherry tomatoes to heirloom slicers. Tomatoes thrive in the warmth and full sun of summer. Start with healthy seedlings in late spring or early summer once nighttime temps stay above 50 degrees Fahrenheit. Choose heat-tolerant varieties like Celebrity, Sun Gold, or Roma for reliable performance. Water deeply but less frequently to encourage deep roots. Use mulch to keep moisture in and stake or cage your plants early to support their growth. Feed with a balanced tomato fertilizer every 2 to 3 weeks. Pick when they're fully colored and slightly soft for the best flavor. You'll know it's ripe when it smells like a tomato. Peppers. Peppers thrive in hot weather and full sun. Whether you like it sweet or spicy, there's a pepper for every palate. Bell peppers, banana peppers, jalapenos, and even habaneros. Transplant into the garden once the soil warms up. Give them space, about 18 to 24 inches apart, and plant in well-draining soil with full sun exposure. Keep the soil evenly moist, especially when fruit begins to develop. Fertilize lightly every few weeks and mulch around the base to hold in moisture and prevent weeds. Pick bell peppers when they are green or wait until they turn red, yellow, or orange for a sweeter flavor. Use scissors or shears to avoid damaging the plant. Zucchini. Zucchini is one of the easiest summer vegetables to grow and one of the most generous. Just a few plants can keep you stocked for weeks. Sow seeds directly into the ground after the last frost or transplant starts into well-drained soil. Space them about 2 to 3 feet apart to allow room for growth. Water the base regularly to avoid powdery mildew. Fertilize every few weeks and watch for pests such as squash bugs. When using containers, opt for large pots with excellent drainage. Pick zucchini when they're about 6 to 8 inches long for the best flavor and texture. Check daily. They grow fast. Cucumbers. Cool, crisp, and refreshing, cucumbers are a must-have for summer gardens. Whether in salads, pickles, or infused water, cucumbers are as versatile as they are easy to grow. Sow seeds directly or transplant seedlings once the soil is warm. Give cucumbers full sun and space to spread, or grow vertically with a trellis to save room. Keep the soil moist and mulch around the base to retain water. Trellising also improves air circulation and helps prevent disease. Pick regularly to keep the plant producing. Harvest when cucumbers are firm, dark green, and about 6 to 8 inches long, depending on the variety. Green beans. Green beans are quick to grow, productive, and great for beginners. Choose from bush beans, compact, no support needed, or pole beans, vining and ideal for small gardens with vertical space. Direct sow beans in warm soil after the last frost for the best results. Plant bush beans in full sun and well-drained soil, spacing them 2 inches apart, and pole beans 4 to 6 inches apart using a trellis. Water consistently, but avoid overhead watering to prevent leaf diseases. Beans don't need much fertilizer. Too much nitrogen can reduce pods. Pick beans young and often. The more you pick, the more they produce. Beans are best when they're slender, crisp, and about the size of a pencil. These 5 heat-loving veggies prove that summer gardening doesn't have to be a struggle. With a little planning, you can enjoy a bountiful harvest all season long, even when the temps rise. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and tell us in the comments what's your go-to summer veggie, or which one are you planting this year. And if your garden space is a bit more shaded, check out Best Plants for a Shady Porch. You'll find beautiful options that thrive without full sun. And remember, life is better when you garden.